Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's Glam with Shan here with another video. Today I'm gonna do this Khloe Kardashian inspired look that I found as I went through with the makeup look. I kind of just did what I wanted, but yeah, this is where this look was inspired from. So I'm gonna go ahead and moisturize and prime my face all in one to get started. And I'm using the Anastasia Beverly Hills Pomade Dipbrow in the color Caramel. And I'm just doing hair-like strokes. Kind of like light-handed because if I press too hard, it's going to be way too dark. So light-handed strokes is the way to go for me. And then I'm going to clean that up with some concealer afterwards with the Tarte Shape Tape. To prime my eyelids, I'm using this Urban Decay eyeshadow primer potion. And it's like really good for oily eyelids because it really sets it in place. And I didn't set it, I just blended it out and tried not to look up so it wouldn't crease. Then I started with my eyeshadow. I'm using a Too Faced Sweet Peach palette. Our first color is that Georgia color on the bottom row. And we're just packing that in first. And I'm going to go ahead and go in with a clean blending brush to blend that out furthermore so it won't be a harsh line. And the reason why it's so light is meant to be our transition color. At first, I really didn't know what to do, but I just said, okay, I'm just going to use this as a transition color. And that's what you see me doing here. Then I'm using that Candid Peach color in the crease of my eyelids. Well, actually the outer crease, and just building that color in. And I'm also using a Zoeva brush. It's just a small blending brush so I can get in the crease of my eye very well. And then I'm using a clean blending brush to blend out the edges of that transition color and that Candid Peach color together. Then I'm using this Makeup Revolution concealer. I think it's like the lightest shade, and I'm using that to carve out my cut crease. It's like the favorite part right here of mine. And I really took my time. I'm not really rushing, it's just sped up. But I'm taking my time to make sure those lines are nice and crisp. Then I'm using that color to blend over top on the edges of that concealer that I just placed down so everything can blend together. Here are my lashes. I know it's a little crazy, but when I put makeup on, I like to have fun and play around with my makeup. But these lashes are from Koko lashes, and I think they're called Misha. And then I'm just going over the top of those lashes where that white glue is, just so it can all look black and, you know, put together and seamless. Here I'm just moisturizing again because I felt a little dry. And then I'm placing my foundation down with a damp beauty blender. Today I am using the Too Faced Born This Way foundation. I'm in the color Honey. And I'm using that same Tarte concealer again under my eyes. This concealer is very pigmented, so I just used a tad bit and just added more if I needed it. But as you can see, it is very pigmented, and a little bit goes a long way. Sorry guys. Then I'm using the Sasha Buttercup mixed with some of my Laura Mercier powder to set under my eyes just a tad bit. That concealer is already drying, so I'm not using a whole lot of powder. Then I'm using this Dark Deep powder by MAC just to bronze up and give my face that glowy and bronzy effect, so I won't look so washed out and white. Then I'm using this blunt blush. I know it's a blush, but I use it to make the bottom of my cheekbones a little bit more contoured and deeper because I have no cheekbones. So I try to like make that illusion with that color. And then I'm using another color from my BH Cosmetics contour palette to contour my nose, because that MAC powder is just a little too orange. Then I'm going in with that favorite color, the second color that I've been using under my eyes. This is used with a pencil brush. Then I'm using this IT Cosmetics mascara to coat the bottom lashes. I'm spraying a little bit because I got dry. This is just to ensure all the powders soak in together. And then we're going to highlight with this Anastasia palette. And I'm using that kitty cat color. I'm also lining my lips with the color Stripdown by MAC because it's a really nice subtle lip color. And then I'm using this Tartiest color as my base. And this is the Lipland lipstick collection from Amrezy, and I'm putting that in. First I put it at the center, but then I put it all over my lips, and then I'm using some Vaseline to get that clear gloss effect. Then I'm just deepening up my freckles with the Stripdown lip pencil. And that is it for this look today, guys. I hope you enjoyed it. It's not really your typical everyday look, but it was just something fun to create. And don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and check back in for more videos that I might upload. Thank you so much, and I'll see you guys later. Bye.